So it says, I can't believe it's not butter. So this thing is written down in very small words and this thing is written down in a big word. So if I'm coming and then I will only see, oh, butter, let's go. Oh, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm good and I hope you all are doing good. तो guys अभी just मैं काम पे पहुंचा हूँ और सबसे पहले अपने काम का स्केड्यूल वगैरह सेट किया और अभी थोड़ा सा बाहर आया हूँ जेसन के साथ. सो ही इज़ द न्यूस्ट ट्रेनर हेयर इन द ब्रैमली सिटी सेंटर, जेसन सिंह. Bro, say hi to my subscribers.
Hello subscribers, how are you doing?
Everyone is good, bro. Everyone is good. Guys, he's Jason Singh. Singh is king.
Singh is king.
Singh is king.
Singh is king.
And he is the one of the news trainer here. And now, Jason, tell me the history from where you are and everything.
So my parents, they're from South America. So our ancestors are from India.
Yeah.
Then they migrated over to South America, Trinidad, Guyana.
Yeah.
And then from there they came to Canada a little later.
Yeah.
And then I was born and raised in Canada.
So
and they're living their life here.
Yeah. So basically, you are Canadian.
Yeah, I'm Canadian.
Your parents are from South America.
Yeah.
And their ancestors was from India.
India.
So basically,
Way
you are
back.
Indian, bro.
Yeah, basically.
the blood is Indian, I think so, right?
Singh is king.
Singh is king.
Singh is king.
How you are doing here so far in the Bramley City Center?
As I started off, I started off learning.
We can walk okay.
Learning from the managers,
Yeah.
learning from Chris.
Yeah.
Shout out to Chris.
Yeah.
And I'm liking the job though.
You're liking the job
I'm
though?
liking it, yeah.
Okay.
It's challenging.
One more thing I want to ask you, bro. Like, most of the people ask me like how they can hide in Good Life Fitness. What were your strategies which helped you to hide in the Good Life Fitness?
Just be confident, be knowledgeable, be helpful.
Yeah.
Just be really outgoing and really learn. Just keep learning.
Keep learning.
You want to keep learning. You're never satisfied. Just
Yeah.
keep learning,
Yeah.
keep growing, and just be confident in yourself and your abilities, and you'll do great. You'll do good things.
Yes.
Great things.
That's how you hide.
And just come in with a smile on your face.
That's the thing.
That's the thing.
That's the thing. Like even though, so see, bro. Now we are personal trainer.
Yeah,
Right?
we are,
when we were not a personal trainer, like obviously we don't have that much knowledge, which knowledge we have now.
Yeah,
But
be confident.
because the manager is gonna see how confident you are with your knowledge,
Yes.
even though it's the right knowledge, even though it's the wrong knowledge, but he's gonna see how confident you are. With my interview, same happened with me, bro.
Same.
Like he was asking me many questions again and again, and I was very confident. Okay, I was saying this and that, even though I know after some time when I searched later, wrong answer.
Yeah.
And, but
It
I was,
happens, it
but,
happens.
but I was confident. So
Get
this is the
confident.
thing. If you want to hide in a Good Life Fitness, obviously you need to have knowledge of fitness, knowledge of diet, knowledge of everything. But most important, I would say, he also said, I would say, confidence.
That's the
it.
key.
That's the key.
Confidence is key.
That's the key. So guys, Jason already did his workout push day,
Yeah.
and he hit his PR 245. That's a great, bro.
That's great,
That's
yeah.
great according to your body weight. Now it's my turn to hit leg day. So let's go. तो गाइस फाइनली अपना वर्कआउट करके 1 घंटे के बाद मेरे को टाइम लगा खाना खाने का. सो अभी खाना खाता हूँ और 2 क्लाइंट इसके बाद फिर हैं. गाइस आई एम डन फॉर टुडे एंड पाजी टू, एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मेट्रो. एंड आई वाज आस्किंग हिम व्हाट यू वांट टू गेट. ही सेड लेट्स सी,
I
लेट्स
said
सी.
nothing. It's late. I don't want to buy anything.
And then I said like I'm going to metro and then I will show to people like which butter you should buy. Which
I need butter.
And the same thing he said, oh my god, I need a butter. So there is a kind of butter, and I was like mad from like 5 or 6 months. I was eating and I thought it's a butter, but it's a palm oil, bro. Vegetable oil. So it's like
Ooh.
it's a poison, but like I was considering it that thing as a butter, and I was eating like 2 or 3 spoon in my
Yeah.
dal.
This
roti.
thing is very bad for you.
Yeah, so I don't want people to buy that butter as a considering it's a butter. It's not a butter.
Is Damien in right now?
No, not now. Tomorrow is coming. See, Paji, Damien's fan. So Damien, it's your fan, bro.
Okay.
See? And Paji, on that butter, it's written down. It's, I don't, what's that? I am not sure.
I can't believe it's not butter.
Yeah, Paji, yeah.
Oh,
Or when-
margarine.
Yeah, so it's a way of marketing. The thing I can't believe it's in the small words and butter in the large word. So whoever is going to buy that, he will only see butter. That's it.
Yeah.
And I was also doing the same thing. And yesterday when I was eating and then I realized I was reading I said, for vegetable oil, palm oil, and it said it's not a. I don't believe it's a butter, and I was like, oh my god, I'm eating from like long time, my heart, and I'm not doing cardio too, bro, my heart.
Yes,
so I'm gonna
it's
show
marketing.
you. Yeah,
It
so
just has flavor, taste.
yeah. I'm gonna show to my subscribers, so they should not buy that butter. That's not even a butter, but
Margarine is made from plants.
plants and
Butter is made from animal products.
yeah. So it's not good, right? It's not good. It's kind of palm oil.
Body can't digest plant matter fats properly,
Oh,
but we digest those animal products easier.
okay. So let's see, and then I will show. Okay, so Paji, what is the difference between palm oil and the normal butter made from the animal?
My understanding is palm oil is a plant sterol.
Yeah.
Basically, plant fats
Okay.
our body can't break down properly, so
Okay.
it clogs your arteries and causes like heart disease,
High cholesterol.
high cholesterol,
Yeah.
all of those issues, right?
Oh.
Whereas with animal sterols, like animal fats that come from like, like desi ghee, like
Milk.
actual
Milk,
natural
yeah.
products, the body can digest properly and has
Yeah.
like omega saturated fats
Fatty
that are good for your heart and actually promote heart
Healthy
health.
fats. Yeah. That's good, right?
Yeah.
So guys, don't eat that palm oil, and we're gonna show you. Oh, where is that? Maybe on over there, right?
It's just over here.
If you are thinking to buy this, so it says, I can't believe it's not butter. So this thing is written down in very small words, and this thing is written down in a big word. So if I'm coming, and then I will only see, oh, butter, let's go. तो guys, जब भी आप ये लेने आ रहे हैं, तो ये मेक श्योर करें इस पे लिखा होगा कि ये बटर नहीं है. आई कांट बिलीव इट्स नॉट बटर. तो इसका मतलब ये बटर नहीं है. सो ये प्लांट बेस्ड बटर है. जैसे आपको क्रिस्पा जी ने समझाया कि ये प्लांट बेस्ड बटर है, तो इसके इंग्रेडिएंट के बारे में आपको क्रिस्पा जी समझाएंगे कि which butter you should buy or which butter you should not buy. So Paji, now you gonna explain which butter we should buy or which butter we should not buy.
I like butter,
Okay.
right? Just plain butter.
Yeah.
If you look at the ingredients, if we can find it on this package.
Here, maybe here.
Here. So you have cream, salt.
Cream, salt. It means we are good
That's
to buy
what's
this.
inside.
Okay.
Cream and salt.
Okay.
But then you look at something like the product you just said. So many things, half the things you can't even pronounce, right?
Yeah, potassium.
Vegetable
Palm oil.
monoglycerides,
Yeah.
calcium disodium EDTA.
Yeah.
Is it food? Is it like what are these things?
It's not a butter.
right?
So if anybody is want to buy butter, so which one he should buy?
Anything that's actual like butter that comes from cow, comes from milk.
Comes from
right?
milk.
Not from plants. Plant items I wouldn't recommend.
So which says it comes from milk or
So basically anything margarine or that side, no. Butter, yes.
these things? Yes.
These ones here.
Because these have the picture of cow.
Yeah.
This
It
one.
literally just says
This thing.
butter.
Yeah.
Butter. When you look at the ingredients, it's gonna say cream.
Cream and milk.
Cream, milk, salt. That's
Okay,
it.
that's it. I'm asking Paji which Indian food Paji likes most.
Whatever Pabi makes.
Whatever Pabi makes, my Pabi makes. Whatever she makes.
Sure.
Oh, okay. But particular.
I like
specific.
like sweets or food.
Like tell me food and sweets too. First we will talk about
sweets, jalebi.
jalebi.
Of course.
Okay. And food.
Just dal roti.
Dal roti. That's it.
That's it.
That's a
no. Aloo parantha.
Aloo paratha.
Yeah.
Aloo paratha, you like it.
That's
so
it.
on first number aloo paratha. On first aloo paratha and then dal
Number
roti.
one. I went to one place. Parantha Palace.
Paratha Palace. Okay.
Amazing paranthas.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Oh.
Comes in a huge box
Yeah.
like a pizza.
yeah.
It's like a whole meal.
And how much you could eat
Oof.
of that size if you're doing
Just one.
powerlifting?
Just one.
That's why. And
Just
that
one.
this much of size which we make in home, how much you could eat? 10?
Unlimited.
Unlimited. Okay, so food is aloo paratha, dal roti, and the sweet is jalebi.
Jalebi, yeah.
Jalebi. हो गया मैं जस्ट घर पे और बाकी आज की वीडियो में बस यही था जो आपको मैंने सारा कुछ बताया और बाकी जो बटर के बारे में मैं आपको बता रहा था क्योंकि वो वाला बटर उसको मैं बटर समझ के काफ़ी टाइम से खाई जा रहा था तो कल मेरी अचानक से उस पर नज़र पड़ी तो मैंने उसको ध्यान से पढ़ा क्योंकि उन्होंने बड़ी तरीके से मार्केटिंग वो की हुई है उसकी उन्होंने लिखा हुआ आई कांट बिलीव जो आई कांट बिलीव लिखा हुआ वो बहुत छोटा छोटा लिखा हुआ, और जो बटर है वो बड़ा लिखा हुआ। तो कोई भी आएगा तो वो सीधा पड़ेगा कि बटर लिखा बड़ा बड़ा, तो वो उठा के ले जाएगा। बट वो एक हिसाब से वेजिटेबल ऑयल है, पाम ऑयल है, जो हमारी हार्ट के लिए बिल्कुल भी सही नहीं, जैसे कृष्ण ने बताया, क्योंकि उससे हमारा कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ता है, हार्ट डिजीज़ होती है, हार्ट अटैक आने के चांसेस होते हैं। मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि मैं, क्योंकि वो पढ़ नहीं रहा था ध्यान से, तो मैंने कल ध्यान से पढ़ा। तो गाइस अगर आप भी कनाडा में रहते हो तो वो वाला बटर आप स्पेशली मत खाओ, जो एनिमल बेस्ड बटर है वो वाला बटर खाओ, जैसे जो मिल्क से बन रहा है ना, जो काऊ से बन रहा है, बफलो से बन रहा है, वो वाला बटर खाओ। तो बाकी ठीक है गाइस, अभी चलता हूँ घर और अपनी ओट मील खाता हूँ, फिर उसके बाद खाता हूँ अपना डिनर, जो मेरी 4th मील होगी। तो ठीक है गाइस, आई होप आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक कर दो, कमेंट कर दो। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर दो। तो गाइस मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में, तब तक अपना ध्यान रखिए।